Good afternoon. In this video lecture series, we are going to discuss about shaping machine drive mechanism, that is Whitworth quick return drive mechanism. In the below previous lecture series, we had already discussed about what is a shaping machine, what are the various types of shaping machine, and what are the various construction and principles behind the shaping machine, and what are the different types of materials we can produce with the help of shaping machine. In the last previous session, we had discussed about crank and slotted lever drive mechanism. In this video lecture series, we will discuss about Whitworth quick return mechanism. This is the image of the or a 2D layout of the Whitworth quick return mechanism. This is the RAM of the shaping machine. In front of the RAM, the tool post is fitted. In that, tool is fitted, and this is the column. This is the drive mechanism. With the help of the drive mechanism, the RAM moves forward stroke as well as the return stroke. With the help of this, the machining process takes place. This is a demo of the Whitworth quick return mechanism. While we look into the image, it is clearly shown that the forward stroke takes place slower than that of the return stroke. In the return stroke, the RAM moves rapidly, whereas in the forward stroke, the RAM moves slowly. It is because of the Whitworth quick return mechanism. This portion is known as the rocker arm. This is the crank pin. This is the bull gear of the crank lever mechanism. This is the rocker arm. This is the crank pin. While we look at the sliding mechanism, it is one end is connected to that of the RAM and the other end is connected to that of the bull gear. While the bull gear rotates, crank rotates. With the help of it, the sliding rocker arm rotates. As it is connected with the RAM portion, the RAM moves forward direction as well as the return direction. Here, the reciprocating motion of the bull gear is converted into the rotary motion of the bull gear is converted into the reciprocating motion of the RAM. This is the 2D diagram of the Whitworth quick return mechanism. As we had already discussed, this is the bull gear, this is the rocker arm, this is the crank pin, this is the RAM portion which is connected with that of the bull gear. Crank BC revolves at the uniform speed. During cutting stroke portion, point C travels from Y to X through Z. RAM returns at high speed as the crank rotates from X to Y through T. Then time for cutting stroke is 360 minus 5. Time for return stroke is 5. Since 5 is smaller than 360 minus 5, the time for cutting is more than that of the ideal time, that is the return stroke. Stroke length can be changed by varying the radius of the bull gear through crank pin AE. Next, we are going to discuss about the third drive mechanism, that is an hydraulic drive. It is also one of the quick return mechanism. In this quick return, in the hydraulic shaper is accomplished by increasing the flow of hydraulic oil through the return stroke. In the hydraulic shaper, the ram is connected to the hydraulic cylinder which is controlled by means of the four-way valve. The hydraulic fluid is pumped to the cylinder through four-way valve. Then this valve is connected to the sump. While we look into the image, this is connected with the sump, that means reservoir. The four-way valve controls the direction of high pressure fluid into the cylinder and controls the direction of motion either during the cutting stroke or else either during the return stroke. The flow control valve controls the flow rate of the hydraulic fluid, thereby controlling the speed of the ram through which it moves. Since the power available remains constant throughout, it is possible to utilize the full capacity of the cutting tool during the cutting stroke. The starting and stopping of the machine is achieved through a finger operated lever, as it is shown in the figure. An adjustable trip dog operated lever controls the operation of the four-way valve to control the ram through the reversible motion. While we look into the image, we can clearly see that the return or ideal stroke is faster than that of the cutting stroke because of the smaller area in the return side of the cylinder if constant volume pump is used. Next we will discuss about advantages of hydraulic. The cutting stroke has a more constant velocity and a less vibration is included in the hydraulic shaper. The cutting speed is generally shown on an indicator and does not require calculation. Both the cutting stroke length and its position related to the work may be changed quickly without stopping the machine. The hydraulic feed operates while the tool is clear of work. More strokes per minute can be achieved by consuming less time for reversal and return strokes. Thank you.